Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Dawson Creek, local, and long-distance movers near me. Choosing the right Dawson Creek moving company will make your local or long-distance move easier. 3 Movers knows how to give you the affordable services you can trust. We know how to make sure your move is a lot easier for you and happens smoothly. Our team can help you move, whether it's a residential move, commercial move, or even a military move. When it's time to handle a long-distance move, we have the right options to make it simple for you, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Any long-distance move is going to be stressful. With our help, you can relocate with less stress and less work to do yourself. You can make moving across the country easier. If you need to handle a local move, you need the right Canada moving company for your needs. There are many ways to make your move easier, but hiring professional movers is the right choice. 3 Movers offers plenty of options to make your move easier. When you need to move up the street or across town, we can make it happen faster and easier. Our team is ready to show you how fast you can move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dawson Creek moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.